Hello guys, welcome to my channel and Easy One. So finally BLUM TGE update has now been announced. So I know most of you guys who have been farming this airdrop has been waiting for long about their TGE. So currently now their TGE announcement has been made and every one of us can go ahead and check it on their community page. So let's do where to go ahead and check it on their community page. So you can see this their community page and you can see the update. So not the updates were made not too long. So you can see where it says BLUM TGE is coming this spring. More updates coming next week. So we'll be waiting for them to announce the update on the BLUM TGE next week. So for those who have faded on this particular airdrop, I would advise you now to go ahead and start farming this airdrop. And the reason why I say so is because that this airdrop is a very good airdrop, like it's a very good project, because there's big projects which are backing this BLUM airdrop. This is not like any other Telegram airdrop whereby once they do their airdrop and TGA, when they list, the price of that coin just dump and it won't rise back again. BLUM is not like that. BLUM is a very good project, and that is the reason why they have not been talking about the airdrop and their TGE update. So right now they have made an update on their TGE. So every one of you guys farming this airdrop must take this airdrop seriously, because this airdrop is gonna make so much on us. This is not going to be a dust project. And you can see that Binance also is backing this project. So Binance is one of the biggest crypto exchange. So Binance is backing them also. And another thing why I say that BLUM could be a very good project is because they have a strong utility backing them up. You can see that for an airdrop to have a trading platform whereby you can go ahead and trade some meme coins on their platform, and also not only that, you can also create your own meme coins, boost their airdrop. So remember that BLUM is also like a crypto exchange whereby you can go ahead and buy and trade some meme coins on their airdrop page. And also, if you have faded on this airdrop, I advise you now to be serious now on this airdrop. If you have not been completing their tasks, you can do way to go ahead and be completing their tasks. So they usually post tasks every day whereby you can earn some BLUM points from it. So those BLUM points which we earn will later be converted into BLUM tokens, which we can later trade in the future. Currently the BLUM pre-market price is on, so you can go ahead on gate.io. So the BLUM price pre-market is on gate.io, and I think it's currently trading about 0.008 or 0.005. So you can see this is the price at which BLUM is trading right now on gate.io, about 0.009. You can see that this is huge. So BLUM is not going to be like other mining other Telegram airdrop which paid us dollars. BLUM is going to pay us huge profits from their airdrop. So if you have not started mining this airdrop, so the link to get started will be in the description of my video, so you can do where to start farming this airdrop. So don't fade on this airdrop. This is not like other Telegram airdrops, so be serious on it. So we have come to the end of this video, so peace out.